Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying battery health and the baseline metrics. This tells you if improvements will help. Once done, update the OS and firmware to fix power bugs and enable the system battery saver. Next, immediately reduce screen brightness and disable radios you do not need, because the display and wireless radios are the top drains. Make sure to record current cycle count and max capacity percentage so you can compare after changes and track progress over time. Now focus on controlling software behavior so the device only uses power when you need it. You should identify and restrict background apps because they wake the CPU and network often. Once you disable background refresh, battery life will improve. Make sure to limit location and push services by setting fetch intervals to longer values or manual. Also enable adaptive or optimized charging so the battery ages slower. Avoid regular 0 to 100% cycles and keep typical charging in the 20 to 80% window. Finish by cementing steady habits that preserve capacity over months and years. You will use the original, certified charger and avoid constant trickle charging overnight. Instead, unplug around 80% for daily use. For long storage, charge to about 50% and keep the device cool because heat accelerates wear. If you still see fast drains, a single troubleshooting path helps. Review battery metrics, look for rogue apps, then try system resets like SMC or PRAM. If problems persist, consider a clean OS reinstall or battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.